का शिखर, शांत है जिसका श्रृंगार, भारत की धरती पर खड़ा हिमालय है अपार। हवाओं में जिसकी ठंडक, नदियों में जिसकी धुन, अनंत कहानियां कहता वो पर्वतों का महागुण। टुडे वी प्राउडली प्रेजेंट our thematic program Anant Himalaya.
The Himalayas do not just stand tall, they teach us to stand tall. They do not just shine white, they remind us to stay pure at heart. For thousands of years, poets have written about them, saints have meditated on them, and rivers have been born from them. But today, our students of class 7 will bring the Himalayas to life in a way you have never seen before, through music, drama, science, maths, and imagination.
We will walk through the valleys, rise to the peaks, and feel the heartbeat of the Anant Himalayas. So dear audience, open your mind, open your heart, and join us on this magical journey called Anant Himalaya.
To mark the auspicious beginning of our program, we would like to invite Director Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am for lamp lighting ceremony.
Om Saraswati Namo Namah, Ma Saraswati Namo Namah, Jnana Ki Devi Namo Namah, Hansavahini Namo Namah.
हिमालय केवल पर्वत नहीं, वो भारत का मुकुट है, शक्ति का स्तंभ है और शांति का सबसे बड़ा स्रोत है। उसकी चोटियां आसमान से बातें करती हैं और उसकी बर्फ हिमालय को आशीर्वाद देती हैं। आज उसी पवित्र हिमालय को समर्पित एक मधुर और मन को छू लेने वाली प्रस्तुति हम आपके सामने लेकर आ रहे हैं। तो आइए तालियों के साथ स्वागत करें हमारी संस्कृत समूह का, जो प्रस्तुत करने जा रही है अनंत शिखरों की गूंज।
सामने। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। सर पे हिमालय का छत्र है, चरणों में नदियाँ एकत्र हैं, हाथों में वेदों के पत्र हैं, देश नहीं ऐसा अन्यत्र है। सर पे हिमालय का छत्र है, चरणों में नदियाँ एकत्र हैं, हाथों में वेदों के पत्र हैं, देश नहीं ऐसा अन्यत्र है। जय भारती वंदे भारती, जय भारती वंदे भारती, जय भारती वंदे भारती।
Wonderful performance. Let's appreciate them with a hearty round of applause. दोस्तों, अगली प्रस्तुति में आप हिमालय को एक बिल्कुल नए रूप में देखेंगे। एक ऐसा रूप जिसे हम रोज देखते तो हैं, लेकिन शायद महसूस नहीं करते। क्या है वह रहस्य? क्या कहना चाहता है हिमालय? आइए जाने अनंत हिमालयास में। तो तालियों के साथ स्वागत करें हमारे हिंदी समूह का, जो प्रस्तुत करने जा रही है भावनाओं से भरी प्रस्तुति हिमालय की पुकार।
प्रकृति ने भारत को जो सबसे अनमोल उपहार दिया है उनमें से एक है हिमालय, परंतु अब वह दुखी है और उसका मौन टूट गया है। आइए सुनते हैं हिमालय की पुकार।
हे मानवों, मैं हिमालय हूँ। मैंने तुम्हें सदियों से पाला है। मेरी बर्फ अब पिघल रहे हैं। मेरे वृक्ष अब नष्ट हो रहे हैं। मेरे से निकलने वाली पवित्र नदियाँ अब दूषित हो रही हैं। परंतु यह बात कोई नहीं सुन रहा। हे वन देवी, आओ मेरी रक्षा करो।
हे हिमालय पिता, मैं भी दुखी हूँ। मैं तुम्हारी गोद में जन्मी हूँ। मैं गंगा हूँ। पहले मैं साफ थी, परंतु अब मैं दूषित हो चुकी हूँ। मानव ने गंदा जल प्लास्टिक से दूषित किया। यदि ऐसे ही चलता गया तो मैं ज्यादा समय तक कैसे बह पाऊंगी?
मैं पेड़, मैं तुम्हारा सच्चा साथी हूँ, परंतु इंसानों ने अब मुझे भी नहीं छोड़ा है। दिन रात कटाई कर रहा है। अगर ऐसे ही चलता रहा तो हिमालय की ढलानें कैसे सुरक्षित रहेगी?
हिमालय की ऊंची ऊंची बर्फीले पहाड़ों के बीच एक सुंदर गांव था। यहाँ की हवा ठंडी थी, जंगल हरे भरे थे और नदी का पानी बिल्कुल साफ। गांव के लोग प्रकृति से गहरा प्रेम करते थे। अरे ये क्या हो रहा है? नदी का पानी तो धीरे धीरे कम होता जा रहा है। अगर ये सूख गया तो खेत भी सूख जाएंगे।
हाँ दादाजी, मैंने भी देखा है, नदी अब पहले जैसी नहीं रही।
दादाजी, हमें इसका कारण पता करना चाहिए। कहीं ना कहीं कोई गड़बड़ है। आइए हम सब जंगल की ओर चल कर देखते हैं।
चलो बेटा। क्या कर रहे हैं?
दादाजी, यह पेड़ काट रहे हैं, हमें इनको रोकना चाहिए।
रुको भाई रुको, पेड़ हमारे जीवन के लिए बहुत जरूरी हैं।
पेड़ कटेंगे तो मिट्टी बहेगी।
मिट्टी बहेगी तो धीरे धीरे नदी के स्रोत भी सूख जाएंगे।
परंतु यहाँ पे तो पहले से ही पेड़ कट चुके हैं।
तो हमें इसका समाधान निकालना चाहिए।
परंतु कैसे?
नए पेड़ लगाएंगे, नदियों के किनारे मजबूत करेंगे,
जंगल की सुरक्षा के लिए समूह बनाएंगे।
इसकी रक्षा करना हमारा कर्तव्य है। प्रकृति हमारी धरोहर है, इसकी रक्षा करना हमारा कर्तव्य है। प्रकृति हमारी धरोहर है, इसकी रक्षा करना हमारा कर्तव्य है। What an impactful presentation. Let's appreciate their hard work with loud applause.
The Himalayas are not just mountains, they are a living world. Every plant, animal, and river has its role in this beautiful ecosystem. Now, our science team will take us inside this vibrant world. Let's welcome them with a big round of applause for their skit on flora, fauna, and the Himalayan ecosystem.
O Himalaya, O rampart of the realm of India, going down the sky, kissed your forehead, your condition does not show any sign of old age. You are young, in the midst of day and night attraction. Pranam to all. The student of class 7 of science group are going to present skit on topic flora, fauna and climate of Himalayan regions. Himalayas, also known as abode of snow, honored beside the South Pole and North Pole. The Himalayas are considered as the third pole of the world as it is covered with heavy snow and ice all year around. It is a diverse multi-altitude system with dynastic climate and vegetation ranging of tropical forests in foothills to temperate regions in middle ranges to alpine meadows at higher altitude. Let us all learn in about details flora and fauna of Himalayas by journey of family of Banjaras of North. Child, let's go. We have to leave the place.
Grandmother, but why? We are surrounded by such lush greenery and wildflower all around us only here. At alpine meadows, we can find remaining population of wild yaks, snow leopards, who people call Himalayan queen.
Child, the alpine region home mild summers with temperature around 10 to 20 degrees Celsius. Northern slopes are less exposed to sunlight and are cooler and retain moisture, which allows herbaceous plants to grow. But winter would be cooler. Region would be bare of rock and ice on high peaks of the level of physiological tolerance of vegetation.
What about animals living here? How will they survive?
Look dear, these animals are adapted to this region. Adaptation includes thick fur and subcutaneous fat, large lung capacity, high hemoglobin level in blood, well-developed vision and hearing. Snow leopards, Himalayan bears, Tibetan wolves roam the landscape and hunt large mountain goats and sheep such as Gudaragli, Himalayan Thar, blue sheep. In harsh conditions of winter, these animals can hurt us also. Alas is the constant struggle of nature.
I love the plants found here, such beautiful flowers they have. Grandfather, will I be able to find them elsewhere on Himalayas?
No child, plants were adapt to harsh life and low growth and caution. Like shapes combined with a strong root system providing protection from ultraviolet radiation.
Grandfather, I want to remember the name of flower, these plants. Can you tell me about them?
Sure child, plants like blue poppy, rhododendron, primrose, sosera which is also called Brahma Kamal, concealed a scare from in India, grows here. Apart from them, many endemic medical plants are used in traditional Ayurvedic medicines like Jata Mansik and Yatra are also commonly found here.
That is amazing, Grandfather.
Now, child, hurry up. Winter is coming. We have to make preparation and leave the place with our hearts.
With its towering peaks, majestic landscape, rich biodiversity and cultural heritage, the Himalayas constitute one of the most majestic mountain ranges of the world. Owing to their high altitude, length, and direction, they effectively interrupt the summer monsoon winds. They are the source of majority of large rivers of India. Himalayan region is source of many valuable minerals such as lead, copper, zinc, nickel, cobalt, antimony, tungsten, gold, gypsum, and many more. Let's find out what our family of Banjaras discover as journey through Himalayas.
Where are we, grandmother? Climate is quite different here.
Child, we are at lower Himalayas. These regions are characterized by dead summers and cool winters.
Bhumi, you love plants very much. Can you tell me name of some trees?
Yes, grandfather. These are sal, bamboo, samal, deodar, chair pine. Look, grandfather, some herbs and shrubs grow here.
Yes, these are the medicinal plants of Brahmi. Brahmi has an antioxidant. Young people like, you should take it. It can improve memory, learning rate and attention power.
What is happening, grandfather?
What is happening here?
Some rich man has come here. He talks of cutting down trees and taking our home.
Really? That is so unfortunate.
Yes, Amma, that is why to decide to protect everyone is at village panchayat. That is where I am going to.
Hey you, stop! Go back, we don't want you here, go back!
This land is 1,000 area of opportunity. We are not just cutting down trees. We are making futures. People need house, home and thriving community centers. Progress demands space.
At what cost? This forest is an ecosystem, lungs of our area. The forest is not a resource for us. It is life itself by destroying homes of animals and plants. You are destroying us.
The balance of luxury we can't afford right now. People need housing. They need jobs. Of course, a more managing forest, but to grow, we home to cutting down the olds.
Planting new trees does not replace the centuries old growth, and it does not happen. It is much easier to create a desert than a forest. We must protect the forest for our children, grandchildren, and children yet to be born. We must protect the forest for those who can't speak for themselves, such as birds, animals, fish, and trees. Go back, Mr. Industrialist. Go back, go back. Our duty, our pride.
Save the Himalayas.
Our duty, our pride.
Save the Himalayas.
Thank you.
Such a brilliant portrayal of nature and life. Let's show them our appreciation with loud applause.
Have you ever dreamed of exploring the mountains, walking along snowy peaks, or listening to the whispering of the rivers in the Himalayas? Today, our English team will take us on an unforgettable journey, a journey through breathtaking landscapes, vibrant culture, and the mystery of the mighty Himalayas. Let's welcome them with a big round of applause. Pranam to everyone. Today, we begin a special journey into the majestic Himalayas. Let me introduce our explorers. Raghav, full of excitement and curiosity. Arav, always ready with his camera. Mohan, who loves nature. And Kabir, eager for adventure. Together, these all are ready to discover the beauty and wisdom hidden into the mountains. Their first stop is Shimla, known for its hills and colonial charms.
Welcome to Shimla, guys. I'm your guide. I will be helping you throughout your journey.
Look, the mall road is so lively. Babrudi is looking tempting. The old buildings look beautiful. Great photos coming up.
Shimla is served as a summer capital of British India. It is named after goddess Shamla Devi.
Friends, I love the cool breeze here. It is so refreshing. And view from the hills is amazing.
Their next destination is Kedarnath. This land is also mentioned in the ancient texts. The mighty Kedarnath Parvat is linked to Mahabharata.
Now I will take you to a quieter and more spiritual place, which is Sri Kedarnath.
Pranam travelers.
Mom, can you tell us about Sri Kedarnath?
The land of Kedarnath teaches us devotion and courage.
Yes, Mom, you are right. The mountains here feel powerful and peaceful.
As one of the Char Dhams destinations, the Kedarnath is dedicated to Lord Shiva.
You know, this place always reminds me of Kedarnath movie. The way the story showed us beauty of hills and heartbreaking floods of 2013. No, Arav, no one could think about the strength of nature. Yes, I also noticed some people doubling many ponies and mules. They are overworked, carry luggage and tourists. It is very sad to see this.
Kedarnath stands as a reminder of devotion, resilience, and the ancient Himalayan wisdom. It shows the journey of Pandavas with the spiritual heritage of Lord Shiva. Let me tell you more about the Himalayas. The temperature here can drop extremely low, especially during the winters, often going below freezing. Life is simple and full of tradition.
Travelers, you have seen the beauty of both lively hills and sacred peaks. What have you learned?
Every place has its own story and beauty.
We must protect these mountains and keep them clean.
And remember every moment of this journey.
Then continue to travel with joy and respect.
The friends gather at a viewpoint overlooking the great Himalayas.
Shimla showed us charm and culture.
Kedarnath showed us peace and strength. Yes, friends, this journey taught us so much. These memories will stay us forever.
This Himalayan journey was wonderful. Shimla was lively. Kedarnath was peaceful. This journey taught me many things.
The Himalayas are full of wonders.
Respect the mountains.
Preserve the memory.
Thank you.
That was truly captivating. Thank you for taking us on this amazing journey. Give them a big hand. Mathematics is everywhere, even where we least expect it. And yes, numbers can make mountains even more interesting. Our next presentation connects the beauty of the Himalayas with the logic of mathematics. Let us see how numbers help us understand the nature better. Please welcome Team Mathematics to represent the crown of India. Hey friends, where you are going?
We all are trekking on these mountains.
Oh, that's great. But you know that these mountains are more than rock and ice. They are numbered in nature, stories of time and challenges that reach beyond imagination. Do you know the Himalayas stretch across 5 countries? India, Nepal, Bhutan, China and Pakistan. Yes, my friend. And we know that the total length is about 2400 kilometers. That's like driving from Delhi to Kanyakumari almost 3 times.
I cannot believe we are actually climbing these mountains. They look endless.
Endless or not, we will definitely reach the summit. Friends, I have snacks, but I have also a question. Why does our teacher say mathematics useful here?
Probably so we can count how many times Om eats during the climb.
Ha ha ha, very funny, but honestly, I want to know how mathematics connect to mountains.
Maybe it helps with direction or maybe with measuring how steep the path is.
That means mathematics is like a guide. So many questions. I wish someone could explain.
Welcome travelers. Today I guide you. Mathematics not just in our workbooks. It also helps us to understand, to predict weather plan, safe climbs and calculate distance. It even helps us to understand the balance of nature.
Can you show us?
Certainly, look at that steep ridge. What you see as a tiring climb can be described with an angle. Knowing that angle helps climbers to choose their safest path.
So, when our teachers makes us work with triangles, it's not just for school.
Exactly. Now you look at the clouds gathering. You can estimate time by watching the storm, how fast they can move. Speed is the distance divided by time. Simple mathematics keeps you safe.
That means math is like a guide.
A faithful one. Even the height you wish to reach is measured by numbers. Without mathematics, you would wander without knowing how far you have come.
Everyone get ready. If we know the angle of the slope and the distance, we can pace ourselves. And if we measure our water, we can make sure it lasts.
Mathematics is helping us to survive this climb.
And it's make the journey more interesting. I feel like I understand the mountains better now.
That is the spirit. Continue climbing with curiosity. Remember that mathematics is not a burden. It is a quiet companion that strengthens your mind.
This view is worth of every step. It looked like a heaven.
And every calculation we have calculated is so inspiring.
You have climbed well. Remember what you learned today. Wherever there is shape, distance, pattern or change, mathematics is present. Honor it and it will always guide you.
Let us head back with new confidence.
Math is everywhere, even in the mountains. Thank you. What a smart and clear presentation. Let's give our next team a big round of applause. Have you ever wondered, what if mountains could talk? What stories would they tell? What memories would they share? In our next skit, the Himalayas come alive in a creative, magical and surprising way, presenting the living Himalayas. Let's welcome them with a big round of applause.
Welcome everyone. Our journey begins high in the mighty Himalayas. In this scene, you will meet two beautiful states, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, standing together like a twin sisters.
Come and see I am Uttarakhand, the land of gods. My mountains echo with temple bells and calm rivers.
And I am Himachal Pradesh, home of snowy valleys, apple orchards, and warm mountain homes.
We look different, but our hearts are one.
Two mountains, one spirit.
And now, two curious travelers arrive with their guide to explore the beauty of these two states.
Wow, these mountains look like they touch the sky.
Welcome travelers. Today I show you the wonders of Uttarakhand and Himachal.
Come and see my holy places, Badrinath, Gangotri, Nanda Devi and the beautiful Nainital Lake.
Can we go boating there?
Yes, the lake is waiting.
And also welcome to my land. Shimla, Manali and Spiti. Here snowfall hugs you like a family. I need a snowfall selfie. Snow, trekking, paragliding, adventure lives here.
After seeing the beauty, the travelers now want to know how the people of mountain live and work.
But what do people do here? We grow apples, rajma, potatoes and we make warm woolen shawls.
In the mountain, work is simple but full of love and efforts.
Our life is hardworking but peaceful. The mountain teaches us strength.
We do terrace farming of millets, pulses, herbs and many for serve in army and ITBP.
So farming here is like climbing a mountain every day.
Exactly.
And now comes the most tastiest part, the food of the mountains.
Try my dham, siddhu, chana madra, full of mountain flavors.
And taste kuffal, jhangro and joil kheer, perfect for cold weather.
Wow, even the food here is awesome.
To celebrate their unity, the mountains now dance, presenting our first celebration dance, the vibrant Himachal Pradesh. And next, the graceful mountain of Uttarakhand joined the celebration with its dance. protecting our mountains.
Please don't litter our rivers, forests, and trekking paths.
Support local products. Apples, rajmas, shawl.
When you help local, you help our family.
We will keep the mountain clean.
And we will support the local people.
We are the guardians of Himalaya. Nature is our family. Protect the mountains, respect the nature.
Thank you for traveling with us through the Himalayas from the Twin Sisters of the Mountains.
Jai Hind.
A wonderful and thoughtful skit highlighting the spirit of the Himalayas. Let's honor their effort with a big hand.
We are honored to have with us our esteemed Director Principal Sir, whose guidance and leadership inspire us every day. We kindly invite our sir to share a few words and graces the occasion with his valuable insights.
Thank you, Sanvi and Shaurya. Indeed, it's a matter of pleasure while witnessing this interdisciplinary project. So very firstly, Revered Chairman Sir of the school, respected Executive Director ma'am, respected Vice Principal ma'am, worthy parents, talented teachers and lovely students. In fact, Anant Himalaya, when we were witnessing, it was quite evident that as if we are also traveling along with the students. And once we were traveling, we were experiencing the beauty and mythology of Himalayas along with the students. And beauty is something which has to be appreciated. And that is somewhat I could make out the way students were presenting. They all were engrossed in describing what they learned about Himalayas. Anant Himalaya. Anant means immemorable. Anything which goes on till infinity. और वास्तव में झलक ऐसी थी कि बच्चों के अंदर एक अनंत जोश था, बच्चों के अंदर एक अनंत लक्ष्य को छूने की एक कल्पना आ रही थी और अंदर से भाव बड़ा प्यारा था कि हिमालय को अगर हम बचाएंगे तो हम बचेंगे। हम कई बार सोचते हैं कि हम कितने सेफली यहाँ पर हैं। The whole credit goes to our defense forces and secondly to the geographical location and aspects which we have been gifted by the God. ये अगर हिमालय आज ना हो तो कितना हमारा यहाँ का जो क्लाइमेट है कुछ और है। तो हिमालय stands like our parents. It guards us. It protects us. And to a large extent, students got the exposure to travel in these states. और यही एक पर्पस है इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी प्रोजेक्ट का, यही एक पर्पस है कि सब बच्चों के अंदर एक कहीं ना कहीं हर चीज को एनालाइज करने का एक टेस्ट आए। समाज में हर तरह के लोग हैं, साइंटिस्ट भी हैं, सोशल साइंटिस्ट भी हैं, लिटरेरी एक्सपर्ट भी हैं, लैंग्वेजेस के, एंड दैट इज द रियल पर्पस टू गिव देम एक्सपोजर ऑफ दिस काइंड। और इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी प्रोजेक्ट यही है, एक टॉपिक को अलग अलग दृष्टिकोण से स्टडी करना। सो हिमालय इज नॉट जस्ट ए फिजिकल एंटिटी कि एक माउंटेन है और रेंज ऑफ माउंटेन्स है, देन नो, इट्स बियॉन्ड दैट। कितना ब्यूटीफुली देखा कि मैथ्स, हाउ कुड वी अप्लाई द प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ मैथ्स। कि विंड की स्पीड है, टाइम है, हमारे पास उसका डिस्टेंस आ जाए। अभी ये तो 7th क्लास में थे, 9th और 10th के बच्चे इसी को ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक कंसेप्ट से और एक्सप्लेन करते हैं कि वी कैन फाइंड आउट द एंगल, वी नो अबाउट द डिस्टेंस और हाइट निकल आएगी। बेसिक जो ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शंस, और हर बच्चे ने इसमें अच्छे से पार्टिसिपेट किया और बड़ा ही नेचुरल एक्सप्रेशन था. एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली they all touched on various aspects of Himalayas. तो हिमालय सिर्फ एक फिजिकल एंटिटी नहीं है, हिमालय हम सब की एक आइडेंटिटी है. तो सिर्फ फिजिकल एंटिटी ना समझ के हम अपनी एक आइडेंटिटी, जब भी आप देखें बाहर से जो लोग आते हैं विदेशी, उनको बड़ा एक क्रेज रहता है, वी वांट टू लुक एट हिमालयाज. ताजमहल और जयपुर तो उनके उसमें होता ही है. आई वुड लाइक टू विजिट केदारनाथ. अब उनके माइंड में कितनी सारी वो होती हैं. और हम लोगों को भी अपने इन सब के ऊपर गर्व होना चाहिए. हम ये ना सोचें कि हम तो हरियाणा में रहते हैं, वो एक अलग स्टेट है. वसुधैव कुटुंबकम, ये सारा अपना ही एक कुटुंब है. और इनफैक्ट जब भी हम वहां जाएं, उसको एक पर्यटक स्थल ना बनाएं, उसको हम ये समझ के जाएं कि जैसे हम अपने ही घर में जा रहे हैं. ये भाव हमेशा होना चाहिए. अब काफ़ी अवेयरनेस आ रही है, स्पेशली विद द रिसेंट गवर्नमेंट इनिशिएटिव्स. पीपल आर टेकिंग लॉट ऑफ मेजर्स. आई नोटिस दैट नाउ ऑन एवरी हाईवेज, ऑन एवरी माउंटेन रीजन्स, देयर आर प्रॉपर स्लॉटेड स्लॉट्स वेयर पीपल कैन सेट. और इतनी अवेयरनेस है कि वहाँ के लोकल लोग भी बड़ा ध्यान रखते हैं. अगर कोई गलत काम कर रहा होता है, कूड़ा डाल भी रहा होता है ना, उसको अवेयर कर देते हैं कि भाई साहब ये उठाइए. दैट्स गुड. And in fact, at this moment, again, I would like to request all the parents, whenever you get time, take children along with you to some spots. और हर जगह की सिर्फ ज्योग्राफी नहीं स्टडी करिए, वहाँ का देखिए, वहाँ लोग कैसे रहते हैं, उनका पहनने का तरीका क्या है, खाने का तरीका क्या है. And every place has its own different vibrations. Every place has its own kind of rhythm of music, and as if you go there you get the feel. और जो अनुभूति होती है वो एक अलग ही होती है. एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली जो उसमें ट्रैकिंग करनी पड़ती है. केदारनाथ अगर हम बात करें, केदारनाथ इट्स ए वेरी हैवी जर्नी, 21 किलोमीटर्स. और शुरू में लगता है कैसे होगा, शुरू लगता है अरे ये तो ऐसा है, बट जब करते हैं और लास्ट में एक सेंस ऑफ अकम्प्लिशमेंट भी आ जाता है, एक कॉन्फिडेंस भी बूस्ट हो जाता है, यस हो गया. तो छोटे छोटे स्पॉट्स पे ज़रूर लेकर के जाएं. बच्चों को एक्सपोजर जितना देंगे आप, उतना अच्छा वो बच्चा गेन करेंगे. और नई नई ज्योग्राफीज़ के बारे में उनको पता चलेगा, जो किताबों में पढ़ते हैं वो जानने की भी कोशिश होगी. इसलिए यही मकसद है कि हम स्कूल में भी जो एजुकेशनल टूर्स कंडक्ट करते हैं, वो इस सब चीज़ों को ध्यान में देख करके करते हैं कि बच्चों के अंदर कहीं ना कहीं जानने का वो रहे और उनको एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म मिले जहाँ वो उसको जान सकें. तो वंस अगेन, फ्रॉम द कोर ऑफ माई हार्ट, आई वुड लाइक टू extend my best wishes to all the students, and in fact I would like to appreciate the effort of all the students along with the teachers, Ms. Deepika and Mrs. Suman Sharma, who really worked hard along with other teachers. From Hindi department, Mrs. Sarita, then Parul Gautam, Madam Lakshmi, Neeraj Thakur. So they all collectively worked together with Deepika ma'am, and this is how the students could perform over here. But most importantly, all students displayed their talent in a very natural manner. So my best wishes to all the students and the staff. And at this time, I would also like to extend my appreciation for the support staff at the back, Mr. Harish and his team, so that they could look at the AV system over here. And most importantly, the idea behind this is Mrs. Savita Luvalias ma'am, right? Vice Principal ma'am. She constantly guided all the teachers and students. So this had been a wonderful experience, and really I would eagerly wait for such new experiences in the future. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for inspiring us.
We are honored to invite our esteemed and visionary Vice Principal Ma'am, an epitome of wisdom and inspiration.
Ma'am, we request you to kindly grace the stage and share your enlightening words with us.
Pranam everyone. Now, first of all, respected Chairman Sir, Executive Ma'am, Director Principal Sir, my staff, excellent and the hard-working staff, and dear parents. Now there is one thing which I want to tell you about it. Nothing is possible if there is no one is to support us. So the first support is coming from which side? It is from the parents' side. Second support is definitely going to be internal, that is going from the sir that is there. Now one thing is there. When I was talking to the students, the one thing I asked कि अगर आपके पेरेंट्स आते हैं तो आपको अच्छा लगता है? Then they definitely said yes, बहुत अच्छा लगता है. There are few students, they were saying नहीं मम्मा नहीं आ सकती, पापा नहीं आ सकते क्योंकि उनकी मीटिंग है. I said they must come and see. आपने देखा कोऑर्डिनेशन कितना था बच्चों में, छोटे बच्चों में एक दूसरे को माइक दे रहे थे. आपने देखा बच्चा जो डांस के लिए जो बॉयज थे, मैंने कल उनको कहा बच्चे आप तो गर्ल्स से ज़्यादा बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं, एंड दे वर सो गुड क्योंकि दे वर हेजिटेंट, यू कैन से. नाउ कमिंग टू द best part is that whatever the topic we have selected, it is Anant. It is not possible to wind it up within 45 minutes or 50 minutes. It's not possible. But yes, they tried their level best. And first of all, I will start with that. I'm really thankful to Sir because Sir in certain cases gives us free hand. He says, come on, go on, let us check this thing. That is the best part. The second thing is regarding the teachers. They work like anything. You won't believe. There are, you know about the season, so whatever is happening. So many teachers, they are not feeling well, and there are so many other complications are there. But there is some support system is already there. So I will definitely going to appreciate Miss Deepika starting from the beginning. Then Miss Suman is always there. Then Akansha, Parul ma'am, Sarita ma'am. And apart from that, I think the other teachers, Megha was already there, Megha Gehlot, she was already there. So a big round of applause for those teachers who have worked very hard. And now comes the second one, that is regarding the parents. आपकी सपोर्ट के बिना हम कहीं भी मूव नहीं कर सकते. हम चाहते हैं कि आप हमें सपोर्ट करें, हम एक नई चीज लेकर आए. आपने देखा होगा certain changes are coming. We want the students to come forward and in different way. We want confidence in them. Let them speak in English. थोड़ी इधर उधर हो जाएगी कोई बात नहीं. Let it be. Let them speak. Let them start. अगर start ही नहीं करेंगे तो कैसे होगा मैम? तो this is there. It is because of you people on. You support us. आप कहते हैं ठीक है, आप आते हैं ना तो हमें ये लगता है कि बच्चों को भी सपोर्ट करें, हमें भी आप सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. So the new things, whatever we are going to do, it is going to be with you only. And now the last and the most important, that is my dear kids. They are so sweet. They are so perfect. They want everything. Ma'am, अगर मैं ये वाला कर लूँ तो कैसे होगा? This and that. That is the thing which we want. So with this, so much thank you, so much everything from everyone. Let us clap for ourselves only. That is there. Last but not the least, मैं शेर के साथ खत्म करना चाहती हूँ कि दूर नहीं है मंजिल दुनिया में आफताब, एक जरा चलने की हिम्मत चाहिए, वही हमें चाहिए. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Now, all the students are requested to come forward for the finale.